How to choose the right used engine for your car, avoid costly mistakes. Hey folks! Welcome back to Gearshift Auto Parts, where we help you get your car back on the road without breaking the bank. In today's video, we're gonna walk you through how to choose the right used engine for your car. Whether you're replacing a blown motor or looking to upgrade on a budget, this guide will help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smart buy. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap that bell icon. We drop tips every week to help you buy used parts the right way. Match the engine code. First and most important, make sure the engine code matches. You'll find it on the old engine or in your owner's manual. Buying the wrong engine, even if it looks the same, can cause all kinds of compatibility issues. Check the mileage. Low miles don't always mean it's better, but it's still a good starting point. Look for engines with under 100k miles if possible. And be sure to ask if the engine came from a running vehicle or a salvage yard. Ask about the history. Always ask about where the engine came from. Was the car totaled from a rear-end collision, or was it front-end damage? An undamaged powertrain usually means the engine's still solid. Inspect or request photos. If you're buying online, request photos of the engine and not just stock images. You want to see the condition of the hoses, gaskets, and seals. Rust, corrosion, or excessive grime. That's a red flag. Work with a reputable seller. This is big, make sure you're buying from a reliable parts dealer like us. At Gearshift Auto Parts, all our used engines are tested, inspected, and ready to go, no guesswork. Still with us? Great! Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're finding this helpful. We've got more tips and real-world advice coming every week. Quick question, have you ever bought a used engine before? Was it smooth sailing or a total mess? Drop your story in the comments, and if you've got questions about compatibility, our team is just a call or click away. Thanks for watching. For high-quality used engines, transmissions, and more, visit us at gearshiftauto.parts. Call us toll-free at 855-475-5657. An email at info@gearshiftauto.parts. We're Gearshift Auto Parts, smart prices. Catch you next time.